Hello and welcome back. This is going to be a short video for tonight, but you're all doing well in grappling with some really tough text on Hilton. What we'll be doing for Wednesday is actually going to be two assignments, but the second one I think will be fairly easy. The first assignment is for you to read the chapter in Hilton called Race, Sport, and the Media with Ian Law, and also the short article called Women Find Common Ground in Tradition Skating, and that will be uploaded as a PDF to the Content tab. Now I want you to, for those two texts, I want you to find something, an interesting passage in one or both of them, and give me a good substantial response in the discussion board. And as always, make sure to respond to two other posts to add to the conversation. So that's the first assignment that we're doing for Wednesday, is reading some more in the Hilton book and picking either a passage in Hilton, or you could pick a passage in the Women Find Common Ground in Tradition and tie it to Hilton, or however you want to approach that. The second assignment is for you to develop some interesting questions to ask the roller derby girl I'm going to interview on Friday. Now her roller derby name is Regan Rage. Her real name is Tawny. And I've included in this email a link to her athlete fan page in case you're interested. We can ask her many different questions because she is of Puerto Rican descent. We can ask her how she perceives race in the specific roller derby culture in Oklahoma City and surrounding areas. Does she feel that there's that race does matter, in roller derby? We could also just ask her general questions about roller derby or her experience with roller derby. And I think it's important to remember that while we have a good grounding in roller derby history and a lot of text we've read this intersession, she might not have necessarily read those texts. So I believe if we orient the questions in a way that we are looking for her experience, we ask questions that so she can rely on her experience in skating and roller derby for the last 2 years, then I think we can get some really good answers from her and be a rewarding exercise. So the second part is that you're going to come up with 3 questions, and that's in a separate discussion board that you want to ask Regan Rage about roller derby. I've also sent links to an interview that we did with Switchblade Rosie for the last roller derby class that was basically feminism in roller derby. So you might watch those if you're curious to kind of see what a good interview question was, or a interview question that received a good answer. We might think of it in that way. Okay, so we're nearing the end of the course, and you all are doing great. Make sure that you do both discussion boards for Wednesday, and make sure to email me if you have any questions and concerns. All right, I will see you all next time.